Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, when I try to open anything on my taskbar, the size of taskbar is automatically minimizing and it is automatically going up. So this issue occurs mainly when you first install the Windows on your computer, and thereafter if you open anything on your computer, it automatically adjusts the taskbar. So if this is the issue, so I will show you how you can quickly fix this issue. What you need to do is you need to right click on your taskbar, then go to taskbar setting, and once you see the taskbar setting you need to scroll down and look for taskbar behavior. Just you need to expand this option from here and then optimize taskbar for touch interaction when this device is used as a tablet. Just untick this option and now it will not come again. As you can see, the taskbar which I needed is coming now and there is no issue with it. So this is a quick video guys, and this is very helpful. I tried to figure it out initially but somehow I fixed it. So I hope you are also struggling with this video, was struggling with that, and now issue should be fixed. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.